everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia, and this is my channel here on YouTube where I share all my crafty bits and pieces. So today is a bit of an impromptu video. As you know, I'm stitching the support group Stitch Along with the Fat Quarter Shop. And today I received a box of goodies from them, so I wanted to get on here and have a bit of a giveaway. So and I wanted to do it now so that I can draw it on Tuesday with my regular floss tube, so that you've still got enough time to stitch it while the stitch along's still going. So I've got a box of goodies, and they've sent me all sorts of bits and pieces which I'm so grateful for. So first it'll be one whole, let me get it all out, I can show you. So you've got the chart. So this is the chart by Laurie Holt for Be In My Bonnet, and It's So Emma. So we've got the chart, we've got the little needle minder, we've got the fabric, which is Vintage Cloth by Laurie Holt of Be In My Bonnet. It's a 25 count Legana in the colour Overcast, and it's 18 inches by 27 inches. So this is what has been used in the model stitched piece. And then we've got, I'm just going to open this one up. We have got the support group Floss Keeper, which is that one there. And then we've got the support group DMC Floss Pack. So, I don't know what that little, let me have a look. Oh, that's just the back of it. So, all of that will go to one lucky person. So they've sent me 2 of everything, so I've got a set and then a set to give away, which I'm ever grateful for. So what you need to do to enter the draw is leave a comment down below in the description box with a sentence using the word support. So don't use any of the, normal troll keywords, like don't use giveaway or win or anything like that. I want this to go to somebody who actually wants to stitch it. You must be a public subscriber. I can check whether you are or not. And only in Australia. So I will draw the winner next Tuesday in my regular floss tube, and I will get this pack out to you express post so that you can have it and be stitching along too. So thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, I appreciate it. It's nice to be able to share all your hard work. So thank you very much, and I look forward to reading all your comments, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.